Hi everyone, today I'm gonna give you an advice on how not to get scammed when buying things from other people. This channel is supposed to be about reviewing on perfume, but recently I got scammed. Yes, I bought a perfume from a Virgin Beach, which she posted a perfume advertisement that she's selling Britney Spears perfume at a very cheap price. She told me she bought the perfume a month ago and it is in perfect condition and she only used it once, but it is not sealed. After I bought the perfume from her, I realized that the perfume is in terrible condition and 1/4 of it is already used. So I messaged her and tried to ask if I could meet her. She told me when she bought the perfume, it's already in bad condition. And she refused to meet me. When I asked her why she lied to me, she said, "What I lied? Don't lie." Yes, she said, "Don't lie." And she said, "What you pay is what you get. In that case, you should buy it from shop." So I tried to call her, but she had blocked me. After that, I went home and realized that the perfume is fake. So, first thing you should do before meeting a person is ask if the product is sealed. If it is not sealed, I suggest you to reconsider. Secondly, ask when he or she bought it and when is the manufacturer and expiry date if needed. Thirdly, ask for conditions of product. When meeting with the seller, ask to check product before giving the cash. If he or she does not agree, then cancel the deal. He or she could not do anything to you. If he or she wants to kick your ass, or slap you in the face, or punch you in the eye, I suggest you to call the police. And if he or she keeps on messaging or calling you, you could block them. Yes, you could block them. So, always remember, before buying product, you should go to the Google or YouTube and check how to differentiate real and fake of the product. Thanks for watching.